The report the SEC just put out, the GameStop report, okay, when they actually investigated that we knew. And now, when you look at the report, it's totally ridiculous. It's totally BS. You know what? They're actually saying what happened back in January with GameStop had nothing to do with naked shorting, nothing to do with short selling a stock to oblivion, nothing to do with market manipulation. Nothing was actually wrong in the whole thing. I mean, not even the button being restricted, not even the buy button being removed and giving the ability to investors in one of if not the most liberal country in the world. Why in the heck will you prevent people from actually buying a stock? Why? Because for some reason it will make you lose money? And now you are the SEC, and after doing 6 months, 8 months, 9 months worth of investigation, how dare you say it has nothing to do with manipulative actions? This is total BS. I mean, guys, let me know what you guys think in the comment section. But to me, first reaction is bull crap. Bull crap. Yeah, it doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any damn sense. Why in the heck will Melvin Capital get out losing a ton of money? Why? I mean, guys, I'm totally pissed off. I'm totally blown away by the amount of shenanigans happening here, because it just doesn't make any damn sense. I'm even out of words. I mean, personally, and you've seen these all the way through my videos on this specific topic of AMC and specifically with the SEC doing something, when they say that for now, even though they didn't think this was the result of a manipulation, they are still letting kind of, a small door open to think about what actions they're actually going to take when it comes to fixing some of the issues with the gamification of trading, but really nothing about the whole issue. The whole issue. They also talk about, short sellers should disclose their short positions in a more frequent and transparent way. But what is it going to do? Because I bet you that the short sellers are going to report when they're already out. So it's going to continue to hurt a lot of investors. It's going to continue to hurt a lot of stocks because the whole thing has not been fixed if this continue. So as I mentioned in my earlier video when I was actually detailing and breaking down the whole report, this is just a reaction video. Let's see first what Gary Gensler is going to say tomorrow when he's going to, actually appear on CNBC Squawk at 9:35 Eastern Time. Maybe he will have something that wasn't, available on the report. But as far as, those conclusions, I mean, this is totally ridiculous. Does that mean that it's now over with, the short squeeze in AMC and even GameStop? No, I don't think so. Because the businesses are improving and short sellers can now not actually explain or make sense of why they are even shorting the stock. Short term, medium term, and definitely long term. So with the share price increasing and this driving a lot more attention, especially when we are making hashtags trending on Twitter and going on on Fox and any other people of interest outside of the ape community actually calling out the shenanigans here, I still think it doesn't really hurt the short squeeze or damage much around the sentiment, but I may be wrong. All right, but I mean, total BS.